Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with yet another project requirement that just landed on our desk. This project involves predicting Titanic survival using classification and regression model evaluation technique. Let's break down the task and requirements step by step. This is the document. Document consists of a first task is classification model and evaluation. Firstly, we will be using the Titanic train.csv dataset. This project objective is to predict survival with survived as the output variable and peak class, fare, age and sex column as the input variable. Before proceeding, it's crucial to perform proper cleaning and data transformation including one-hot encoding if necessary. Next, we will utilize the training testing method on three models: logistic regression, decision tree and support vector machine. We will allocate 80% of the dataset for training and 20% for testing. And our steps include training each model, printing the accuracy steps for each, and then selecting the best model based on the accuracy score of testing datasets. In addition to the training testing method, we will also employ the cross validation with six-fold each model. This will provide a more robust evaluation of the model. Again, we will train each model using cross validation and calculate the accuracy score for each and select the best model based on these results. Second task is regression model selection. In this task, we will revisit the linear regression model built previously. This model uses fare as the dependent variable and survived peak class, sex, age and embark column as the independent variable. We will run this model again and calculate the mean squared error. Then we will experiment by removing one or two variable and observe any changes in the mean squared error to determine if removing certain variable improve the model performance. To streamline the process, we will follow the steps outlined in our model and evaluation file. This includes cleaning the data and splitting it into a training testing sets, initializing an empty model, feeding the model using training data and checking the performance on the testing datasets. So that's the brief overview of the task and steps involved in these projects. We will ensure through the data cleaning, proper model training and meticulously evaluation to deliver accurate prediction.